Assalamualaikum students. Today's our topic is integration of substitution rule. In this we can have a variable like x. We can convert x variable function in u, introduce another variable which is u, then change dx into du because we introduce another function which is u. So it is dx change into du and make substitution in the function f of x become f of u. Then integrate the function and then change into x function u to x. Firstly you change x variable in u, then change du into du, dx into du, then substitute in the function both values, put in the function, then change function f of x into f of u, then integral of the f of u, then convert f of u into f of x. So we have an function this integral 2x plus 3 whole power 4. Taking integration of this function, put u equals to 2x plus 3. So our function become integral u power 4 dx. When we let something we take derivative of this function because we can put dx into du. So we have to find this value. So taking derivative of this, which is become 2, x power is 1, so minus 1, it becomes 0, x0 equals to 1. So you know x variable derivative is 1. Constant derivative is 0, so it becomes 2 dx equals to u du. You can see we have dx, only dx, so 2x multiply here which become du over 2 equals to dx because we have here only dx. So our du over 2 equals to dx. We have to find the value of du and u. Firstly we find the value of u, then find the value of du over 2. So it becomes du over 2. You can see here u power 4 multiply 1 over 2 du integral. Now we integrate this, it becomes u5 over 5 like this plus c. So multiply with this, it becomes 10, u power is 5 plus c. Now we have, so our answer is u power 5 over 10 plus c. So putting the value of u equals to 2x plus 3 power 5 over c over 10 plus c. This is the answer of given function by substitution method. We have another example. Solve this function integral 15 over 3 minus 2x dx. Now we can let u equals to 3 minus 2x. Now we have to find derivative of du. Du equals to 3, derivative is 0, and 2 x equals to derivative of this is 2x, 2 minus 2, x derivative is 1, so our derivative of minus 2x equals to minus 2 dx, but we have only dx here, so this portion multiply with du, it becomes du over. When we change equal sign from right to left, so it is multiply with dx, so it is divide on the left side, so it becomes minus 2 equals to du dx. So it becomes integral 15 over u d u over minus 2. This is, you can see dx value, then putting value is this. Now minus 15 over 2 is constant, so we are taking outside of the function, it become integral 1 over u du. 1 over u integration is ln u. Now you can put u value is 3 minus 2x, so our answer is this plus c. Put x square equals to u, so taking derivative of this, it is equals to du equals to 2x dx. So we have x and dx here, so our answer is x dx equals to du over 2. So our answer become, our function become integral sin u dot du over 2. 1 over 2 taking out of this integral sin u du. Sin integral is minus cos, so our answer is minus 1 over 2 cos u plus c. Putting the value of u, it become minus 1 over 2 cos x square plus c. So solve this integral x square radical 1 plus x cube dx. 1 over x cube equals to u, du equals to 1 plus x cube derivative dx equals to this 3x square dx. So our x dx become 3x. So it become x square dx equals to du over 3. Now you can put radical u du over 3 equals to 1 over 3 integral radical u du. Radical value is 1 over 2 plus 1 is become 1 over 3 u 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. So solve this, our answer become 2 over 9 multiply 1 plus x cube power 3 by 2 plus c. Solve this integral 1 over x square bracket 1 plus 1 over 2 whole square. Taking this function as a u, taking derivative of this function, it become minus 1 over x square dx. So now we can put du equals to minus 1 over x square dx, and putting this value, it become integral u 1 over u square du equals to minus integral x u power minus 2 du. Taking integration u over 1 minus 1. So putting the value of the u, it become u minus become 1 plus 1 over x plus c. So this minus and this minus 1 multiply and give us positive value. So u minus 1 plus c, putting the value of u and simplify this. So our answer is x over x plus 1 plus c. Now we have example sin mx with taking integration of sin mx with respect to x. Mx equals to t, let t any variable, taking derivative of mx which is equals to mx equals to m. So mx dx equals to dt. So putting here, it become 1 over m integral sin t dt. So our answer is minus 1 over m cos t plus c. Putting the value of t, it become minus 1 over m cos mx plus c. Now integrate this function with respect to x. Substitute x square plus 1 equals to t. You can also put u or any variable. 2x dx equals to dt. Then putting in the function, it becomes this and taking integration of simple sin t, it become minus cos t plus c. Putting the value of t, this is the answer. Now compute this function. Let x over 2 equals to u, du equals to dx over 2, dx equals to u du. Putting here, and it become 2 integral eu du equals to 2 eu plus c. Putting the value of u, 2 e power x over 2 plus c. Here some substitution formulas which is also helpful for us. Now we have another example. Integral dx over radical 2x plus x square. So you can see x plus 1 equals to secant theta, then dx equals to secant theta tan theta. This is the derivation of this function d theta. So it become, putting the value of secant and secant theta and dx value, x plus 1 value and dx value. So it become integral secant theta tan theta over radical x square theta minus 1, which is equals to tan theta. Then function become integral sin theta tan theta over tan theta d theta. Tan theta will be cancelled. Integral secant theta d theta equals to ln secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Ln, find the value of this function and this function from here and here. So it become ln x plus 1 plus radical 2x plus x square plus c. This is some references of the lecture. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me here.